Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I wanted to use all of my luxury makeup to create a full face of makeup look. So if you want to see that and get ready with me, just keep on watching. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever HD Skin. I'm going to take 2 pumps of this, actually maybe 3, and distribute that with my finger onto my face. I should put my hair up. By the way, I'll do that in a second. Okay, putting my hair up. Now I'm going to distribute that with my beauty blender. This is one of my most reliable foundations to use. It looks very skin-like and it doesn't feel like it sits on top of my skin. It just blends in perfectly, and the shade is not too bad either, thanks to Julia Adams which I follow religiously. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going to use my, one of my favorite concealer of all time is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This looks very thin underneath my eyes. It has a very lightweight texture. Again, it doesn't look like it is sitting on top of my skin, but rather it just blends in perfectly. And it's just one of my favorites. Let's get the brows out of the way. I'm using my good old Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. This is in the shade Granite. For my contour slash bronzer, I'm going to be using my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. This is the Intensity 1. And I hit pan on this a while ago, but I keep forgetting to use this, or maybe I don't want to use it because I don't want to finish it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. And a little bit of this product goes a really, really long way. So you don't have to use a lot of product to get a perfect look, and you have plenty of blending time. It doesn't dry out. For my highlight, I'm actually going to be using the highlight part of this palette, which I don't usually do. I just forget to. This is a beautiful highlight. It's not bad. So for my blush, I'm going to be using my Hourglass blush. This is in the shade Mood Exposure. I just purchased this after years of adding it to my cart and taking it out of my Sephora cart and putting it back in again and taking it out again. I finally bit the bullet and purchased this product. This is a really nice rather nudie pinky color, and it looks really natural on my skin tone. As you can see, it's pinky, but it's also nudie. It looks really nice. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be using my Tom Ford Eye Color Quad in the shade Mink Mirage. This is what it looks like. Mine is a little old, but it still works perfectly. I'm taking a crease brush and dipping into this shade, tapping my brush, and I'm just gonna add that onto my crease. Next thing I'm gonna do is to add this shade on my outer eyelid. to have some depth. And I'm going to blend that out with my first brush. With the shader brush, I'm taking the same shade and I'm just going to carry that out onto my lower lash line. My outer lower lash line, to be more specific. Okay, something is happening. I think the eyeshadow got into my eyes and I'm having an allergic reaction to it. I don't know if it's because the palette is, oh gosh, I'm crying. Okay, so that was extremely weird because anytime I got eyeshadow into my eye, I never have this burning feeling before. This palette might be expired for sure because I look like I've been crying for hours, but I have not, I promise. Yep, I don't know what's going on there, but we're gonna keep moving. I'm going to clean up my shader brush on my hand, and I'm going to take this light shade again and make sure I don't put this into my eyeball this time. And I'm putting that on the rest of my lower lash line. And the next thing I'm going to do is to take this matte shade, the white shade, and I'm going to put that onto my crease. And taking my blending brush again and just blending everything out. And this is going to be it for the eyes. I don't have a luxury mascara opened up because I have a bunch of drugstore mascaras opened up, so I'm trying to finish them. So I will apply some mascara and I'll be right back. Now for the lips, I'm using my Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade, what is the shade? This is in the shade Bold. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Fenty lip gloss. This is in the shade Fenty Glow. Okay, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love makeup. I love luxury makeup. I love drugstore makeup. But here are my drugstore choices, and here's a full face of my luxury makeup. So if you like this kind of content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!